A man terrorized California for more than 40 years. He broke into homes at night, watched his victims for days, and disappeared without leaving a trace. Police searched for him for decades, but he always stayed one step ahead. Then, after more than 40 years, a single DNA breakthrough, the suspect wasn't hiding in the shadows. He was living a normal life in blind sight. Who was the Golden State Killer? Watch the full story now on Final Trees.